back to my channel. Today I am back with a very popular and loved dessert all over the world known as caramel pudding. And for this recipe I am going to show you the easiest and fail-proof method of making it. So let's look into the ingredient list now. First ingredient is milk. Here I have 2 cups of milk at room temperature. Next I need 3 eggs, a can of condensed milk, and this can here contains 400 grams, a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence, and for the caramel sauce we need half cup of sugar and 1/8 cup of water, which is approximately 2 tablespoons. To start preparing the caramel pudding, we'll start off with the eggs. And we are going to blend the eggs. For that I'm going to use a hand blender, but if you want you can use a whisk also. And to it I'm going to add in the condensed milk. We'll again mix the condensed milk with the eggs. And finally the milk. And finally a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And mix it. Now we are going to keep this aside and start preparing the caramel sauce. To prepare the caramel sauce, take a saucepan and I am going to add in the sugar along with the water and cook it on slow flame. The sugar will gradually start turning brown. It will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes. It's been around 4 minutes now, and as you can see the color has started changing. We'll cook this for another minute or 2. At this stage you need to keep on stirring continuously so that it doesn't burn. Our caramel sauce is ready and this is the perfect color we need. So I'm going to pour it on the pan on which I'm going to steam my caramel custard. Spread it throughout the pan. We'll let it sit for 2 minutes before we pour in our caramel mixture into it. Now we'll pour in the pudding mixture which we had prepared earlier. For that I'm going to sieve it so that no egg lumps get into my pudding. And now I'm going to cover it with the aluminium foil. For steaming I have taken a stock pot and added around 2 cups of water in it. Now I'm going to place in my steamer inside it, caramel on top of it, and I'm going to cover it, and it will take approximately 25 to 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now and I've just switched off the gas and checked our caramel pudding is ready. We'll let it sit for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour so that it cools down a bit, and then we'll do the serving. It's been almost 1 hour now. It has cooled down quite a lot, but we need to freeze it before we serve. But in order to show you all, I'll just do the serving now. And to do that, I'll run my knife on the edges of the pudding so that it can come out pretty easily. And finally, I'm going to flip it over. And the moment of truth. And over here I would like to mention that if you are using small eggs instead of 3, go in for 4. And I'll cut a slice to show you how well it is done. My caramel pudding is ready, and this is one of my favorite desserts. So friends, do give it a try and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.